So now we are going to discuss about what is ISPF in a GOS. So ISPF is a interactive system productivity facility. ISPF is a software product for a GOS and it provides a menu-driven interface and set of utilities for interacting with the mainframe system. So this is a mainframe system diagram of ISPF main menu driven. So this is simplifies the task such as file management, job submission, and program development. This is ISPF menu structure in detail. So in ISPF menu, we have some options like 0 for setting, 1 for view, 3 for edit. We have a utilities option, dialog test, edit. We also have batch, command, and workplace options. So this ISPF includes a text editor and browse, and it's provide the functions for locating and listing the file. ISPF also perform the other utilities task and all. Now we are going to discuss about next question. So explain the purpose of SDSF in a GOS. SDSF is a system display and search facility. So SDSF is a tool in a GOS that allows users to monitor and manage the system by displaying information about jobs, output, and system messages. Also, it helps system administrators and users to track the status of job, system resources, and all. This is the mainframe SDSF screen print. So, SDSF is a main panel that shows the command name, description, group, and the status. So here I option is used for input queue, O for output queue, H for held output queue. Next one is the ST, is the status of job. That means when you submit any job or you want to view the status of job, at that time you need to go through the SDSF tool, and in command line you need to put ST if you want to see the status of jobs. Next one is the ZO, it's a job 0. JG, SYS, SYM is a system symbols. Next one is the log. So it's a system log. If you want to view system log information, you are also eligible for this tool. Next one is SR, MAS, and lots of options are present here. So our next question is explain the purpose of SMF record in a GOS. So SMF stands for System Management Facility. SMF records are generated by GOS to capture the information about system activities, resources uses, and performance. These records are invaluable for performance analysis, auditing, and troubleshooting. Also, system related SMF records includes information about configuration, paging activity, and workload. So this is a screen print. There were lots of records types exist in a GOS. So for example, for IPL, we need to use record type 0. For a dump header, we need to use record type 2. Same, like there were lots of records occurred in a SMF for every subsystem or every uh, systems. Like DB2 record type is different, Kix record type is different, GOS record type is different. Okay, like if you want to a step termination, you need to use the record type 4. If you want more detailed video for SMF, so please mention in a comment box. So our next question is, what is WLM in a GOS? So WLM is a workload management. So it's a set of parameter that you specify to the GOS workload manager. Is called a service definition. WLM is a component of a GOS that manage the system resources and optimize the system performance of different workloads. It ensures that high priority workload get necessary resources and that system resources are used efficiently. Also, WLM identify each item to a work in a system that can manage by a GOS workload manager. If you take an example, so kicks, kicks reason, you take kicks reason example, kicks transaction and all. So next is explain the role of HCD in a GOS. So HCD is a hardware configuration definition. So HCD is a tool used in a GOS to define and manage the hardware configuration of the mainframe system. Also, HCD allows administrator to configure and customize the hardware components such as channels, device and control units. HCD is a very big topic we can't cover in a one session. So if you want to work in a SCD, so you can able to perform other tasks like define new configuration data. Uh, you can take one example of IODF. You can also able to activate the configuration of the data, maintain the IODF such as copy import, copy export type. If you want to understand the HCD, you need to go through first IODF, UIM, UCB, HSA, EDT, and all of these.